expecting from SeaWorld? I'm expecting a lot of fish, Bangudu, Anjal, Mane, Kundra, Marva, everything. And if we get for catch one, Vanita will make one fish fry for us. Tava fry. Istu style. Background li joke le inda. Search and rescue or research and rescue. So it's the closest one. Bangladesh. Hey, is he talking? This is park. Oh. Parking. Yeah. Who's handicap? It's all anybody is like anything penning? Let's go. Manoj, excited for SeaWorld? What are you expecting from SeaWorld? I'm expecting a lot of fish, Bangudu, Anjal, Mane, Kundra, Marva, everything. And if we get for catch one, Vanita will make one fish fry for us. Tava fry.
What do you want? Anjal? Kane?
Gyros. We want tava fry. Just wondering, people who like seafood, how they'll feel when they come here. They're like, oh my god, somebody call animal protection. You know what? There's a party going on. This plants, Janari Akida, plants. No, I think that's a walkway. Actually, Korean. Come, Samita. Oh, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು.
It's a video.
Today we are ready to Oakland. Today Sun is sponsor for everyone SeaWorld. 15 people behind, 15 people front, everybody Sun is sponsor. Because you know, you won that big ticket. Russell Kama Bank gave him such big check. No. I wish. Yes. Vinita will play double price. Yes. You have to pay the price.
Go inside, sir.
Yo, hey, look at that vlog. It's a world famous dancer from the Bahrain.
Stop saying that.
No, he's manifesting. Manifesting. And look at that. Mumbai is a great dancer. Where is he? Yes. Kandiwali dance. Kandiwali, the number one dancer. Ili the new video, na? Bali kakam.
Kannada, English vlog. And then next Chetan will come. He will
It's called Bajil vlog.
Tulu vlog.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಉಂಟು ಇದು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದೆ ಪಾಪ ನೋಡು ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು
Sorry guys. Sit. Excuse me. Please wait.
Just something we would like to avoid, as we like our animals to be calm and relaxed during these interactions, okay?
ನೀನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮೀನು ಹಿಡ್ದಾಗ Look at this. And can come back.
All same set.
Really?
Same.
But the same products or different also?
Same product.
It literally looks like penguin, man. Those people. Yeah. Yeah, seriously, one. Oh, yeah. See?
This looks exactly like the movie.
Yeah, so nice.
Oh, Madagascar movie.
It's so beautiful. Thank you for coming.
Physicality. Nice day, fantastic. Somebody put the money in that. Come on. I think Thursday, put the money, I like to move it more. He likes to move it more. Oh my god, this feels like sunrise, man. Oh shit.
That's a baby king penguin. He's only 6 months old.
Why is it this bad?
So all of the penguins are born with a downy layer of feathers.
Alright.
So the others, even the smaller species, are brownish, greyish kind of a layer. These feathers are only meant to keep them warm.
Alright.
So they still have to develop the waterproof feathers.
It's pretty big for a baby.
He's a king penguin. So king penguins can grow up to 3 feet tall.
Oh, that's nice.
So he still has some growing to do and some changing to do.
Nice.
He doesn't have anyone else in his same age group or with his same coat, so he's alone here.
He's gonna grow up antisocial. This is a baby penguin. Hey, it's me, your cousin. So I brought your cousin sister here. Sana Namo from Mijar. Yogo, extra on the mean is a clipper. Gilly? Cute, no?
Yeah.
Huh? Ask if we can touch. Ask if we can touch. We can touch?
Cannot touch. Oh, that's it. That's coming from here to there.
Yeah.
See, they're swimming down. Oh,
Imagine this big. this cold all the time. Not oh, the jacket. I'm not feeling cold.
This is how I did it.
Really?
Mix each other.
Scared. Scared.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದೇ ಸಾರಿ
ಹೆಸರಾ?
ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಉಂಟು ಐಡಿ ಉಂಟು
Names are what?
Days, 19 days, 15 days, 6 days. Yeah, 6 days.
breakfast jazz
No. I'm tired now. Oh.
Okay, let's go. You want to join also, sir?
Yeah, please.
I will take a photo of you guys.
You can just click here for photo, huh?
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Excuse me. Oh, sa harap.
Itu? Huh?
Non-threatening rights.
Fight.
Sir, this is for you, okay?
Huh? Yes.
Finish that trick.
Woo! Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, no. Yeah.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾವಿನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ವಿ
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ
ಮತ್ತೆ
You come this side. This is come here. Start. You come this side because you go
Come center. 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1. You can join us. Oh my god. I want to join you. Yeah, okay. Last. One person. One off. Okay, last.
ಅವಳು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು
Okay, ready? 3.
ಅದೇ
Left. Okay, bus, yeah. Somewhere here only, as per the map. Like, share, subscribe.